Good morning, students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel schoolquiz.com. As you know, my name is Danish Agarwal. As we have started our videos with class 9 CBSE, that is chapter number 3, that is atoms and molecules, and chapter number 4, structure of an atom. I have covered all both of the chapters, that is structure of atom and atoms and molecules. Now we will start our chapter, that is chapter number 2, is matter around us pure? Is matter around us pure? So today's our topic is our introduction on chapter, that is matter around us pure? So let's start. That is chapter number 2 of class 9 CBSE, that is matter matter around us pure? Around us pure. So this is our introduction video. First of all, we will discuss what is matter. First of all, we will discuss what is matter. What is matter? In chapter 1, you have already know what is matter. Anything, anything, anything which occupies space, anything which occupies space, and anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Is called matter. For example, this marker is a matter. This board is a matter because they have some mass and they also occupy some volume. They occupy also some volume. So in chapter 1, you have discussed about states of matter. States of matter, that is his physical classification. Physical classification, that was solids, liquids, and gas. As three shades of matter was solid, liquid and gas. It was its physical classification, but in this chapter we will talk about its chemical composition or chemical classification. Chemical composition or chemical classification. So we have discussed what is matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. So first of all, we will continue. That is matter around us pure? What it means? What it means? As you know, for a common man, what does the pure thing means? That is without any adulteration. That is without any adulteration. If we say for a common man, for a common man, for a common man, pure thing means without adulteration. Without adulteration. Adulteration means without mixing. Without mixing. But for scientists, its meaning is different. Its meaning is different. But for scientists, its meaning is different. If we talk according to scientists, we can say that ghee, milk, etc. These all not are pure substances. Not are pure substances according to scientists, or if we talk about in term of chemistry. So first of all, we will discuss what is a pure substance. What is a pure substance, or what the term pure substance actually means. So first of all, we will discuss what is a pure substance. What is a pure substance? Pure substance. What is a pure substance? Pure substance means which is made up of only one type of particles. Which is made up of only one type of particles. That is, it consists of only one type of particles, which consists of only one type of particles or behave as a single entity. If we take its examples are hydrogen, H2, like oxygen, O2, like water, carbon dioxide, elements like sodium, potassium, etc. Sodium, potassium, etc. For example, if we take this is a piece of potassium. This is a piece of potassium. Here all atoms are of potassium. All atoms are of potassium. All atoms are of potassium. So it is made up of only one type of particles. So we can classify sodium as pure substance. So we can classify sodium as pure substance. If we talk about, suppose it is a piece of iron. It is a piece of iron. So all atoms are of iron. All atoms are of iron. So iron is made up of all iron atoms. So we can classify it as pure substance. Pure substance. Classify is at pure substance. So if we say that what is pure substance, which is made up of only one type of particles, only made up of one type of particles. So how we can say that? How can we can say that water is a pure substance? So how we can say that water is a pure substance? Water is a pure substance as it is composed of two type of elements, that is hydrogen and oxygen. So why we regard is as a pure substance, as we have stated that pure substance is what, which is made up of only one type of particles, So how we can say that water is a pure substance? Because water behaves as one entity, or it is a compound, which has combined in a fixed ratio, which is combined in a fixed ratio. So we can say that water, like 2:1, like CO2 1:2. This is also taken as a pure substance. For example, there is a bottle. It is a bottle in which water is filled. Water is filled. So water will behave as only a single entity. So we can take water as a pure substance. Okay, we will classify pure substance. In this video, we will discuss also the flow chart of the chapter, and after that, one by one, we will discuss all the topics of chapter. So in this video, we will classify, like, first of all, pure substance. So pure substance, like if we take matter, matter can be classified as pure substance, and impure substance. Matter can be classified as pure substance and impure substance, or we can regard impure as mixture. And pure substance further classified as elements or compounds. Pure substance can further classified as elements or compounds. We will discuss all the topics one by one. First of all, we will draw a flow chart. Okay. So pure substance will classify as elements or compounds. Whereas mixture will be classified as homogeneous homogeneous mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. And further elements can be classified as metals, non-metals and metalloids. Further elements can be classified as metals, metals, non-metals, non-metals and metalloids whereas homogeneous further regarded as true solution. True solution or homogeneous mixture is also known as solution or solution, whereas heterogeneous further classified can be classified as colloidal solution or suspension. Colloidal solution or suspension. Okay, so this video is very important to understand that which part comes under pure substance, which can come as impure substance or mixture. In our next video, we will start our topic one by one. Like first of all, we will discuss what are elements or what are compounds, and further we will classify and further we will discuss what are homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. As we have taken examples like that hydrogen, like oxygen, sodium, potassium are pure substances, as we have classified elements as pure substances. As we know, these are elements, like sodium, potassium, these all are elements. If we take like CO2, like H2O, okay, these are all compounds. These all are compounds which we regarded as pure substance, elements or compounds. So we will discuss all our topics one by one, but this introduction video is very important that you can know that which part comes under which part. For example, elements or compounds are regarded as pure substances, whereas homogeneous and heterogeneous are the types of mixtures, whereas elements can be classified as metals, non-metals and metalloids, whereas heterogeneous mixture are of two types, for example colloidal solution, suspension. So this introduction video is very important. Now in our next videos we will discuss all the topics one by one. So be patient student, doesn't get in hurry. We will discuss all the topics one by one in full detail. So if you have any queries in chapter number 3 or chapter number 4, you can watch my videos, and if you still find any queries, you can comment in our comment box section so that I am able to remove your queries. So this is all about our today's topic, that is introduction of chapter number 2, is matter around us pure, So thank you very much students. Hope you like my video. Please share it with your friends also. So thank you very much.